Top 10 Anti-Cancer Diet. Foods that fight against cancer and cause cancer. Hello to my amazing followers. Today I am back with another video. In this video, we will be talking about the top 10 anti-cancer diet and the foods that fight against cancer. If you are new to my channel, make sure to give it a subscribe so that you never miss a video from us. Cancer is a disease that is the greatest challenge for modern medicines. It is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells anywhere in a body. A section receives instructions to die, and then the body replaces it with a more modern cell that functions better. Cancerous cells lack this ability. They divide uncontrollably and die at the point in their life cycle. Moreover, a healthy diet is what you need to deal with cancer. Your body needs good nutrition to stay strong and fight against cancer. A healthy diet includes plenty of foods and drinks with vitamins, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Good nutrition helps to strengthen your body before, during, and after treatment. Your body needs a good and healthy diet while coping with cancer. Top 10 foods that cause cancer. Eating a low diet and obesity causes risk. And taking fatty alcohol and using tobacco, including smoking, causes cancer. Here are the top 10 foods eating which may cause cancer in youngsters and adults. Number 1. Processed meat. An extensive review of studies found that people who ate large amounts of processed meat had a 20 to 50% increased risk of colorectal cancer. Processed meat that has carcinogenic properties includes beef, sausages, ham, hot dogs, and meat. Some observational studies have also linked meat consumption to increased risk. Cancer Council recommends that to scale back your risk, you ought to eat not quite 65 to 100 grams of cooked meat per week. The more the person eats processed meat, the more the chances of cancer. According to a research done in 2019, processed meat causes colorectal cancer. Another review in 2019 stated that it's also linked with stomach cancer. In a 2018 review, researchers found that consumption of processed meat increases the chance of breast cancer. Number 2. Sugary food and drinks. Processed foods that are high in sugar and low in fiber brings higher cancer risk. Sugary food and drinks can lead to obesity. And obesity is a significant risk factor that causes cancer. Thus, consume a little amount of sugar to decrease the risk of cancer. Number 3. Alcohol. Alcohol is known as a Group 1 carcinogen. A large amount of alcohol leads to risk. Drinking 1 glass of wine a day does not affect much, but consuming a large amount of alcohol has a negative effect. Number 4. Fried food. As per a research, if starchy foods are heated under high temperatures, they produce a content known as acrylamide. Mostly, this is produced when the food is baked, roasted, or fried. All the fried foods have high levels of acrylamide. The main food items which contain acrylamide are French fries, potato chips, churros, etc. As per a research made in the year 2018, acrylamide was found to be carcinogenic in studies done on rats. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, considers it probably carcinogenic to humans. As per a study made in 2020, acrylamide is the main substance which damages DNA, and it also induces apoptosis, or cell death. Consuming a lot of fried food also increases the chance of getting affected with diabetes and obesity. If one had these conditions, then they will suffer with oxidative stress and inflammation, which further increases the cancer risk. Therefore, one shouldn't intake fried food and instead opt for barbecue and steak fried. Cancer-fighting foods. Some foods can fight against cancer, such as citrus fruits and colorful fruits have healthy nutrients in it, which reduces the risk. Also, drinking plenty of water a day helps you stay hydrated. Number 1. Fruits and vegetables. One review found that a minimum of 3 servings of citrus fruits per week reduced stomach cancer risk by 28%. Observational studies have linked a better consumption of vegetables with a lower risk of cancer. Eating 2 or more fruits and vegetables a day can help to reduce the risk. Likewise, vegetables such as tomatoes and carrots can decrease the risk. The fruits and vegetables which stop cancer are as follows: broccoli, phytochemical powerhouse; tomatoes, potential weapon against prostate cancer; strawberries, rich in antioxidants; carrots, best eaten cooked; spinach, a super carotenoid source; whole grains, good for the whole body. Number 2. Garlic. Not only does garlic add flavor to several meals, but it's also anti-carcinogenic. Garlic contains allicin, which has been possessing cancer-fighting properties in test tube studies. Some researchers state that garlic fights against bowel cancer. Although the garlic makes the breath smell bad, however, this plays an important role in treating cancer. Number 3. Dairy. Several observational studies have indicated that high dairy consumption may increase the risk of prostate cancer, but there is no good evidence that dairy products cause cancer. Eating and drinking these products can reduce the danger of bowel cancer. Some researchers suggest that eating large amounts of dairy can increase the risk of prostate cancer, but more research is needed. The dairy items that help in avoiding cancer are buttermilk, milk, butter, curd, and cheese. Number 4. Whole grains. Eating whole grains helps to protect against colorectal cancer. It has dietary fiber, which includes whole grain bread, oats, and brown rice. Although normal bread may be bad for health and may result in diseases like diabetes and cholesterol, however, a person can intake brown bread and whole grains. Number 5. Fish. An extensive review of 41 studies found that regularly eating fish reduced the risk of colorectal cancer by 12%. Eating fish may protect against cancer, but consuming salted fish can lead to trouble. Mostly, people think that having fish will make them fat. However, fish is the best type of meat that a person can have, as it has high levels of protein, which avoids all types of harmful diseases. Number 6. Spices. Some studies have found that cinnamon may have anti-cancer properties and prevent cancer cells from spreading. Furthermore, turmeric can help fight against cancer. Not only this, but there are many other types of spices that reduce the cancer risk. These include cardamom, coriander, curry leaves, cloves, and cumin. Number 7. Grapes. Grapes consist of certain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances which are good for health. These substances are found in red and purple grapes. In animal studies, resveratrol has been shown to prevent cancer and slow the growth of cancer cells. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is yet again one of the best things to intake in order to protect ourselves from getting cancer. The green tea has some contents which has antioxidants with anti-cancer properties. Not only this, but green tea contains 3 times more catechins than black tea. Drinking green tea regularly has been associated with lower risk for cancers of the bladder and digestive tract. Number 9. Winter squash. Winter squash is a deep orange flesh of acorn, butternut, pumpkin, and other winter squashes. These show that the winter squash are rich in beta-carotene and other carotenoid pigments. Moreover, these drinks have antioxidants and beta-carotene, which is transformed into vitamin A, a nutrient that may also help prevent cancer. Can cancer be cured? No such diet has been made which cures cancers. A nutritionist can prevent cancer or can reduce the risk of cancer's development. A healthy diet like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean protein can help to prevent cancer. Moreover, processed meats, sugary foods, salted fish, and alcohol may increase your risk. Thus, we have to take a healthy diet to enrich with vitamins, proteins, and fats. Good nutrition is essential for good health. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you haven't subscribed to Ito's 10, then make sure to give it a subscribe so that you never miss a video from us. Goodbye, and may you all have an amazing day ahead.